Man, look at all these bikes. Yes, sir, we're almost there to Weirs Beach. That's where the strip is, the rally headquarters. So we're just gonna check that out. It is, I think, almost 10 o'clock, so we'll see what's still happening. I think a lot of people are gonna come out tonight because I think tomorrow is gonna be pretty fucked up, sadly. It's supposed to be a ton of rain. It's really depressing, especially when you're on a sport bike. You ain't got a freaking Harley Street Glide to protect you. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Dang, look at all these burnout marks. Boys are out. Oh shit. Look at that, son. These boys are hitting it. Haha, I freaking love it, son. Oh my god. Well, I wish the world was like this, just motorcycles every freaking day. People wouldn't have to work, they could just do whatever they want. Everything would be free, but has a limit, somewhat equal. That'd be badass, son. I'm sure we wouldn't appreciate riding as much as we did it every day, though. Yes, sir! Holy shit. Boy, that's a lot of people tonight. Ba-boom, ba-boom. Hells Angels support merchandise. Look, they block off their parking in front. Holy shit, lots of people tonight, boy. They love it. Oh shit, look at all these bikes, son. Here we go. Damn. Haha. Boy, it's freaking live tonight. Yes, sir. Love the action, bro.
Too late.
He was feeling it, son. Damn. Love it, bro. That's so badass.